Have you ever wondered what makes you, you? From the color of your eyes to your risk for certain diseases, genetics plays a powerful role in shaping who we are. But did you know that tiny changes in your DNA can alter your traits, or that scientists can now edit genes like text in a document? Here are 10 fascinating things you need to know about genetics that might just change the way you see yourself and the future of science. 1. DNA is the blueprint of life. Every living thing, from bacteria to humans, carries DNA, an intricate code that determines physical traits, biological functions, and even susceptibility to diseases. Think of it as nature's instruction manual, packed into every cell of your body. 2. Genes are segments of DNA. Your DNA is made up of genes, which serve as tiny blueprints for making proteins. These proteins control everything from your eye color to how your body fights infections. 3. Chromosomes contain DNA. Your DNA isn't just floating around randomly, it's organized into 46 chromosomes, 23 pairs, inside each cell. Half of your chromosomes come from your mother, and half from your father, creating a unique genetic mix that makes you one of a kind. 4. Mutations create genetic variation. Small changes in DNA, called mutations, can introduce new traits or cause genetic disorders. While some mutations are harmful, others can be beneficial, like the ones that helped early humans adapt to different environments. 5. Dominant and recessive traits. Ever wonder why some traits skip generations? That's because some genes are dominant, more likely to be expressed, while others are recessive, only show up when inherited from both parents. For example, brown eyes are dominant over blue eyes. 6. Genetic disorders exist. Some diseases, like sickle cell anemia, cystic fibrosis, and Down syndrome, are caused by genetic mutations or chromosome abnormalities. Understanding genetics helps scientists develop treatments and even prevent certain conditions. 7. Your genes influence your health. While genetics play a role in diseases like diabetes, cancer, and heart disease, they don't tell the whole story. Lifestyle choices like diet and exercise can also influence how genes affect your health. 8. Epigenetics can turn genes on and off. Genes aren't just about what you inherit. Epigenetics studies how environmental factors like stress, diet, and toxins can switch genes on or off. This means that even identical twins can develop different traits over time. 9. CRISPR and genetic engineering. Scientists now have the power to edit DNA using a tool called CRISPR, which allows them to correct genetic disorders, modify crops, and even explore futuristic possibilities like designer babies. But this raises ethical questions about how far we should go in altering human genes. 10. Genetics drives evolution over generations. Small genetic changes accumulate, leading to evolution, the process that shaped all life on Earth. This is why species adapt to their environments and why we share common ancestors with other living things, including chimpanzees. Let me know if you like this kind of content.